The filing is in. This is it. This is the 10K. This is 10K. That's the one we're waiting for. And indeed, these are the ones, the 10Qs. This is the one we've been waiting for. Let's see what whether there's anything tangible there. There might be, but sometimes it can be a bit complicated. Let's see. It can be a mouthful. Let's see what's going on. While we wait for that, the stock is up around 14% or thereabouts in this post-market session. That's good news. Extrapolations for high prices as things stand right now. This was where it was a couple of minutes ago. Spiked all the way towards 52.61, retreated again down to 47. Highly volatile. Some very sharp V recoveries and yeah, so this V, a very sharp V recovery here, plunged and recovered again. And rejection at 54.79, still climbing up. 10 period moving average serving as a primary demand line as things stand right now. Let's see whether this has finished loading. Processing inline fats. Okay, we might wait for a long time for that. Let's come back here and see what's going on. We're waiting for a slight retreat, and we might get involved. Let's get the sheet ready here. SMCI. Let's see. If anything, at least you know very well that they have filed the much anticipated filing. We're just getting ready to buy this, buy this, buy the strength we are looking at right now. So where we have right now, we have upper projection of 53.89. This is obviously on the 1 minute chart. Let's have a look at the 3 minute chart and see what we have. Do we have any upper projection here? Nothing. But that rejection of 54.73 also was printed here. Down projections of 52.36, 51.28, 50.54. Let's come down to the 5 minute chart and see. Okay, this is going to take a long time to load. I'm going to close it. The important thing is that we know that they filed the 10K disclosure. I think it's sucking up all the memory. Yeah, let's see. This is the 5 minute chart. No upper projections, but we can calculate one. Can calculate 54.52 and 52.59. So let's roughly say it's at $2. That's the difference. We multiply that by 2 multiplied by 2.618. We have 5.23. Add that to 53.7. We have 58.9, 58.3, 58.93. Not really ambitious. So that's actually printed higher highs. Okay, let's move down to the 50 minute chart and see. Yeah, rejection or rather resistance from its 200 period moving average is in place, but it might surpass it. Let's move down to the 45 minute chart and see what we have there. The 45 minute chart, no upper projection, but we have negated ones, 56.80 and 54.82. Let's come to the 1 hour chart and see. Okay, here we just have nothing, no upper projections, but it has broken through the resistance of its 200 period moving average. Three-hour chart, no upper projections, but the wedge is a wedge has been formed by the 10 and 21 period moving average extrapolations. So there's a good chance that we might see some contraction here. So yeah, but here we can see a different picture altogether. The stock is recovering the grounds it lost, recovering the grounds it lost as of yes, as of Wednesday. This goes back all the way back to last week. So it gives you a different picture of what something totally different from what we have been seeing. We saw on the what the chart. So yes, we have here a negated upper projection of 83.06. It was in play as of Monday, as of yesterday. 83.06 was in play as of Monday, but there's a good chance something else might come back. So just gives us a reference of the sort of things that were in play yesterday. The sentiment yesterday was a bit different. Yeah, so yeah, and let's see, $140 is something also that can all equally print as well. Let's come back to the daily chart and see what we have. Yeah, okay. So obviously nothing's going to print here because the daily charts don't record what's going on in the pre-market, post-market session or in the pre-market session. So yes, it has broken through the upper projection of 53.89. It might break through this resistance of 54.77. Let's see what we have here. Supermicro submits overdue filing. What's next for the server maker? Let's see whether there's any flesh in this okay, yeah, this is breaking news. Okay. Let's see what they're saying. The company denied any wrongdoing in its securities filing, asserting that the Hindenburg report contained false or inaccurate statements about their company, including misleading presentations of information. Okay, this is the first time it has fallen out of the compliance with the Nasdaq. Stock was delisted from the exchange in August of 2018 for delaying the filing of its financial reports. It was then listed again in January of 2020. Shares of Supermicro tumbled 8.9% to $47.03 today. The regular session of today. So yes, it has filed and it's going to remain listed. Let's see what they're saying here. Pretty much the same thing as well. Okay. The company indicated that it has received subpoenas from the Department of Justice and the SEC pertaining to matters raised in the short seller report from last summer. The company also disclosed various lawsuits which it thinks are meritless. The company will also be looking to lift its $40 billion revenue target for fiscal 2026, a goal that seems that some see as ambitious, but the management sees as reflective of the company's bigger opportunity to capitalize on NVIDIA's new Blackwell platform that would be up from $23.5 billion to $25 billion revenue target that Supermicro has for its current fiscal year. Yeah, still expected to go higher. This shouldn't, to be honest, this shouldn't be the right time to buy the stock. It's doing well right now, doing well, but very risky now. Printed a huge amount of gains. Tomorrow should be another day. We'll see when it cools off. Might get another an opportunity to get involved. Yeah. But yes, the filing is in. Projections go all the way towards in the very short time, $58. We saw $80 or thereabouts on the daily chart. That is something that can print by tomorrow morning. And by the time Nvidia discloses its earnings outcomes, it could be a huge blast for the stock. Yeah. Yeah. So pulling back right now, we're just watching to see if we'll get an opportunity to get involved. We had a position in the stock earlier on. I think late last year, but we weren't that patient enough when we closed the position. So, but this time around, there's more clarity now. It's more clarity. The 10-period moving average is serving as a primary demand line. It just keeps picking up strength when it gets there, when it pulls back towards it. So yeah, disclosure 10K is out, even the 10Q. Yeah, so I'll keep you updated, and thank you very much for watching this video.